Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you and showcasing you how to update the social media and the updates as a partner for your customer. Let's suppose there is any new update that has been released or any new feature that has been released and you want your customers to see that feature, how that works. So how to do that? There are some configuration that you need to do as a partner. So first of all, you need to go to the help center option in the left hand side. Over here, you will get the option of updates. So there is one new feature that has been released. I will simply click on that add a card. So in the card details, I can add the title of it. Let's say new feature MCP. Card description I can add. And now it is asking me to upload the logo. I can put that logo here, and it is asking me to put call to action. So I can click here and the link of it. So I need to get a link of it. Let's say I have this link for now. I will add it here. And click on add card. So I will simply click on publish. Once I click on publish, so it will be published on the customer's account. I will show you that also. And there is one more option in case if you want to add the social media on your customer's account, if you have any of the social media that you want to add. So you can add that social media from here only. Let's say I have a YouTube channel and I want my customers to see all the videos of the YouTube channel, and they can check those videos and it will help them to understand the platform better. So I can add the social media title, for example, YouTube videos, and I can add the description for the same, and I can add the social media icon. You can upload any icon, and you can also add the call to action, CTA. Let me copy the CTA from here. The web link for your YouTube channel, add the social media and simply publish it. And now if I go to the customer's account, I will be able to see both the things. So you can see if I go to help center now, in this section of explore demo, it will give me the new MCP, new feature MCP. If I click on this link, it will redirect me to the same link that I have uploaded. Now, if I go to follow us, it will give me all the social media channels that I have uploaded in the partner panel over here. So if I click on this, it will redirect me to the YouTube channel that I have uploaded the link of. So this is how you can also do the same. And in case if you have any queries for the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video.